Constitution, it would be very easy to have a much shorter transition.
But as you say, it's in the Constitution. This is how it's worked from the jump, and this is how the founders envisioned the country working. Why change it?
Let's talk about what the founders envisioned. The way that a presidential election was conducted close to the founding of the country is that people would have to travel wherever the election was being held, and that itself could be an ordeal if you lived many miles from your county seat. The ballots would be gathered in one place, they'd be counted, but there wasn't telephones, there wasn't even telegraphs. So the only way to get word of how many people in your community voted for who was to send someone, probably by horse and buggy, to a central location to tell them, hey, we had this election and 800 people voted for George Washington. So people would have to travel, by horse and buggy, often through swamps, as the South especially wasn't very developed at this point in time.